Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dosto. In this video we will go through some basic terminologies regarding languages. The first terminology is called reverse function. Reverse of A, it says reverse of A is the same word spelled backward. For example, यानी अब आपके पास जो वर्ड्स होंगे अगर आप उनको इस फंक्शन को प्रोवाइड करेंगे तो ये आपको उनका रिवर्स आउटपुट के तौर पर ये आपको उनका रिवर्स देगा. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप देख रहे हैं इस तरह कि रिवर्स ऑफ ए बी सी विल बी इक्वल टू सी बी ए. सिमिलरली if x is equal to 1 4 3, then reverse of x is equal to 3 4 1. Okay, the second terminology is called lexicographic order. When the word in the language are arranged in the size order, that is shortest word first, is called lexicographic order. देखिए जब आप अपनी लैंग्वेजेस को क्रिएट करते हैं तो उसमें वर्ड्स क्रिएट होते हैं, तो आपके अल्फ़ाबेट सिंबल पर जो वर्ड्स क्रिएट होते हैं उन्हें आप डिफरेंट ऑर्डर्स हैं जिसमें कि उनको स्टोर किया जा सकता है या अरेंज किया जा सकता है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल जैसे अब हम डिक्शनरी की बात करते हैं तो डिक्शनरी में अगर आप देखें तो उसमें वर्ड्स अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में होते हैं. जैसे कि आपको पहले तमाम वर्ड्स ए से मिलेंगे, फिर आपको तमाम वर्ड्स बी वाले मिलेंगे, फिर आपको तमाम वर्ड्स सी और इस तरीके से. लेकिन अगर हम लेक्सिकोग्राफिक ऑर्डर की बात करते हैं तो सपोज इफ़ आवर लैंग्वेज इज़ सिग्मा इज़ इक्वल टू ए, देन सिग्मा प्लस मीन्स द लैंग्वेज the words over sigma, all the words over sigma will be a, 2 times a, 3a, 3 times a, 4 times a, and so on. Similarly, if we have a language sigma is equal to a, b, then sigma plus all the words over sigma will be equal to, first of all, the words with length 1 a and b, then all the words with length 2, that is a b, then b a and b b, and then all the words with length 3 a a a a a b a b a, and so on. Okay guys, so the lexicographic order is the order in which we arrange the word in the size order, that is the shortest length word first, then and so on. Palindrome, it's one of the very important definition of languages, related to languages. A string whose reverse is equal to itself is called a palindrome. For example, suppose we have a word I and we find its reverse. So reverse of I is EYEI. So I is a word I is a word of the form palindrome. Suppose there is another word A B A and we find its reverse. So the reverse of ABA is again ABA. So the word ABA also falls in the category of palindrome. In Urdu we have a word, for example, damat, and if it is reverse we will get the math. Consider a sentence. Madam, I am Adam. Now, if we apply a reverse function on it, we will get again, Madam, I am Adam. Okay, so palindrome is a string whose reverse is equal to itself. The next thing is clean closure. Clean closure, it is named after an American mathematician, Stephen Cole Klein. It is a set containing empty string, that is this null string, and all the strings derived from the set of alphabet of the language. It is denoted by sigma star. Now we know, now please consider this example, sigma equals to a. Now all the words over sigma are a, 2 times a, then 3 times, then 4 times, and so on. And if we place an empty string at the start, then it will be the clean closure. We know that in positive closure there was no empty string, but in clean closure the empty string is included. For example, if there is a language sigma of symbols A and B, then sigma star means the clean closure over sigma will be, at the start we will have a null symbol, an empty string, then all the words with length 1, A and B, then words with length 2, AA, AB, then BA, BB, and so on. So clean closure is a closure. Clean closure is a set of words of a languages that contains an empty string. Okay, so this is the end of these terminologies. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel and like the video and share it also with your friends. Thank you.